My name is Freeman Wang.
Hi, my name is Ann Yu with Toll Brothers.
The reason here today we're trying to share our team systems and how can we be more successful for the current real estate markets.
Well, my job is to help realtors how to sell new homes, so that's why I'm here.
Hopefully the team concept can influence more real estate agents and then can be more compatible in current real estate markets.
Yes, and partnering with the realtors is the only way that we can mutually beneficial.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, Josh Niehaus here. We are at the Megate Agent Mastermind. We got a lot of top producing realtors here today. They're going to share their tips and secrets on how to grow their business. I'm personally excited because what I realized is what you learn in the real estate industry can be applied to any business. So I'm excited to be here with the top producing realtors. They're going to share with all the other realtors their tips and secrets, and I'm going to implement them. So I'm going to get my notes ready. And our company does home inspections, and we got some stuff over here, and happy to support this wonderful event.
Hi guys, Benson Pang with Nesby Mortgage. We are excited to learn more about how we can change the industry. Rudy has a lot of tips and stuff for real estate agents to really improve their skills and make more money.
And sell more houses and make more money, absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Hi, you need a Wu Home Warranty of America, your 13-month home warranty girl. We're here today looking at the Mastermind Panel, which is kind of cool because all this agent has been experienced and they bring a lot of monies, like dollars, to the real estate, and we just want to have other people coming in, just kind of listen what their secret is.
Technology becoming more and more advanced. As technology becoming more and more advanced, and once the homes get inputted into the MLS, what happened with that homes? Get syndicated over 15,000 end user website. So what we do is that later on, as we go through down the road here, I'm gonna have Art here to have a session how you are able to sell over 200 homes.
And step one, okay, is to have the seller give us a tour of the house. And it's not to learn about the house. It is so we can figure out what is their personality. That way we can present to them.
Okay, so one of the things that we need to understand with Zillow, as agents, if you really understand how Zillow works, you should, if you don't have a love-hate relationship with Zillow, you should. Because as Barb said, you go through all the stuff to get the listing. She just named 50 different steps, and that was just one strategy to get listings and everything. And then you get it on Zillow, you finally get it on Zillow, and then Zillow, excuse my French, they go and they pimp your listing out to get buyers, and then they sell the buyers back to you. Right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's how Zillow works. So,
Because if you have a system that you can duplicate yourself, then that team will multiply. So that's why one thing I really liked about Rudy, because Rudy have a system that anybody can just plug in and duplicate. Okay, same thing with Toll Brothers. I'm here to help the realtor friends.
And if on the listing side, you have a chance to have a listing presentation, showcase the platform we give to you, showcase the app we create for you.
So we are just wrapping up our 3 hours masterclass. In the last 3 hours, we focused on helping the local real estate agents, teaching them on how to leverage technology and system to win in today's real estate market. As you know, the market keeps on changing, so it's been fun. Today we talk about how to generate an abundance, an overflow of buyers and sellers. Think about it, when the owner of the house, when the seller's thinking of selling their home, we are building a buyer's database. In my team right now, we have over 45,000 buyers who's looking to buy. So we are changing how the real estate industry has been working. because in the past, there's a problem in real estate industry. That is, most real estate agents, 97% of real estate agents are not successful. 87%, according to the National Association of Realtors, homeowners do not go back to the same real estate agents because of poor communication. So today, in the last 3 hours, we bring the best of the best to share with local real estate agents in the area on how to add value to the consumers. It's been amazing, it's been awesome. Thank you guys for showing up. I'm looking forward to meeting you for a private backstage tour in our office. If you're watching this and you'd like to set up a private backstage tour, the team system, all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, to set up a private backstage tour of our team system, call 626-789-0159. Thank you.